The Zonesun ZS-AFCL9 is a high-speed automatic vial packaging line for pharmaceutical and cosmetic use. Running up to 3,000 bottles per hour, it integrates filling, stoppering, capping, and labeling in a compact cam-driven rotary system. This automatic vial packing line combines an automatic filling capping machine with a side belt labeling machine for efficient vial processing. Equipped with a laminar flow hood, glove ports, and dust protection enclosure, it ensures sterile conditions and product safety. With modular design, touchscreen control, and vibratory bowl feeding, the line delivers precise, hygienic, and efficient vial handling. Ideal for pharmaceutical vials, cosmetic bottles, and sterile liquid packaging.